Oh my God, you just
In the best possible taste.
taste. And if you go like that, you actually do. No, it's not Brigitte Nielsen. What's that?
Spread eagle.
The spread, the one with what's it called again? That American film, where she like just go like that.
Was it Bridget Nelson?
No, it wasn't Brigitte Nielsen. It was that blonde girl. What's her name again?
I know the movie you're talking about.
Yeah. What? Sharon Stone.
Sharon Stone.
Thank you, Sharon
she is
Stone.
hot.
She is good. She
Goodness.
was so
She-
hot.
What? But she kind of looks still a little bit hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. But
but
she was.
yeah. So anyway, funny that you were mentioning Brigitte Nielsen Stallone.
Yeah. What
Tall
happened there?
bitch.
Yeah, one long leg bitch, man.
Seriously?
Look at her breasts, they're just grown.
They're grown,
Do
I
you
mean-
think that's natural?
Well, in LA probably. I mean, usually everything in LA and Texas grows quite quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah.
Do you reckon it's down to hormones in the food or what?
Probably, yeah. I mean, there are probably a lot of E numbers and stuff like that in the States. I mean, you can't get anything in the States without supersizing yourself. I mean,
noticed
so
that.
the women are supersizing themselves, the men are supersizing themselves. So much that they actually can't see their penis anymore.
Where is it?
Oh my God! I haven't
my
seen
God.
that for years.
Where-
I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Yeah.
But going back to Brigitte, right? Mm-hmm. You heard the story about Flavor Flav.
I
Flavor
know.
Flav.
Fuck.
I mean,
Seriously, what happened?
I love you, Flav, but
That-
man, I know that the crack.
Fashion police.
You and crack?
Woo, 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 fashion
Yeah,
police.
I know.
What happened with the teeth? Seriously?
Well, I don't know.
I have no idea. And
Fix your teeth.
And seriously, why do you
just
need
say
to walk around with a clock like that? I mean, don't everyone doesn't he have an iPhone or something like that? Seriously?
He wants to tell everybody what time it is.
A Rolex or something like that. I mean,
Yeah, you're right, but
Yeah.
everybody, I think the point was that, they were doing this advertising or marketing campaign about time. I don't know the whole story, but something along that line. But you're quite right.
was that in the 70s? Snap out of it, Flavor Flav.
But what happened with them two anyway? I mean,
I have no idea,
Were they
but-
lovers or something?
See, when I saw that program on TV, I was actually in shock.
I was totally
Seriously.
in shock.
I mean, we drink Dom Pignon, and she was
Yeah.
drinking cheap wine that's sludgy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
But she had, come on, she had a hard life. I mean,
Yeah,
she was a
well,
model,
Yeah.
married Stallone.
Yeah.
That didn't work out. Married a Swiss race driver.
Yeah.
That didn't work out.
Yeah.
She actually started, but didn't she marry that Danish singer to start off?
That's
before?
right. Yeah. She
Yeah,
married
she
a Danish
did.
singer. Yeah.
Not,
Can't remember his name.
it's not Casper Helmy. Anyway,
Yeah.